They came in peace. They came as the nice guys. Now, chosen one, I'm going to need for you to put your spiritual common sense on when I say this. I need for you to use your spiritual common sense. When I say they, you know exactly who I'm talking about. Anyway, this your girl, Rashad the Goddess, and I'm back with another video. Now, today, chosen one, I just want to enlighten you, remind you that you are the one. You have always been the one. But because we fail, yes, chosen one, I got to be the one to admit it to you. We fell for the beast. It happened, and it's still happening. In every lifetime, the spell gets deeper and deeper and deeper. You must know this. You must know this, chosen one. We are the gods. That is true. We are the gods. But due to our lovingness, due to our kindness, we were naive. We were very naive. And I just want to let you know, chosen one, that those days are done. Those days are done. Because the awakening, the signs, the signals are here for you. Now, if you choose to play dumb, if you choose to continue to sleep like the rest of the sleeping gods, then you will repeat the same loop again. Now, y'all already know that on the previous video, I talked about this a little bit, just a little bit, a little slightly. And I was giving y'all analogies on some things that happened. I said that a lot of us gods got tricked. And I also said that some of us gods came back here to awaken some of the sleeping gods. Some of the ones that was kind of on the fence last lifetime. You know, the spell was so heavy that, you know, that was kind of breaking out of it, but you still got tricked and trapped due to that heartstring, that loving string, that being blinded. A lot of us got trapped by that. Not knowing that you're in an actual simulation. Chosen one. They came in peace. When I say they, I'm talking about that system and everything that belongs to that system. We taught them how to be. When they came out of those caves, because that's what they came out of, chosen one, you know that. When they came out of those caves, they came in peace. They made us believe that, you know, they just wanted to learn. They admired us so much that they fooled us. And like I said, since we're so loving and kind, we forgot that that beast still exists. So we actually taught these entities. We taught them how to communicate. We taught them structure. And since they could never, ever be one of the gods, we had to dumb ourselves down. Well, not dumb ourselves down. We taught them things like the alphabet. We taught them certain things. And what happened is that they took the knowledge that we taught them and they flipped it. They flipped it on the gods. And they put us under a spell. You must know this, chosen one. Our kindness got taken for as weakness. This is why you must never trust the beasts, these oppressors, because they always come as the nice guys. They come in peace. But we see by doing that, we are being foolish. And let me just say this. So we taught them this, we taught them that, and they flipped it on us, and they enslaved us. We forgot that this beast has certain technology. You know, maybe at first they didn't have certain technologies, but they studied the gods. Before they came out of those caves, they studied the gods. They watched us. They watched us from afar. They seen how we operated. They seen our strengths and they seen our so-called weaknesses. They seen our little, I know how we do, chosen ones, God's black people. You know, our little rifts that we have. They watched us. And they watched us from afar. And they found out a way how to put us against each other. They came in deceit, y'all. Deceitfulness. You must know this. It ain't like they took over our planet on some goddamn, oh, we running y'all. Hell no. They didn't do that. They ain't come like no warriors. They ain't come like that. They came like the Decepticons that they are. The sneakies. That's how they came. And they found out how to do certain things to us without us knowing. And because we probably didn't master certain things yet, you know, like I said, we probably was riffing with each other, certain look. Y'all know how the devil do. And that's when we crumbled. And they started with our gods, our black kings. I made a video the other day about how they tricked the black man first. And once that happened, everything fell. Everything fell. So I'm only here to remind you, chosen one, that we on some type of time loop, because we must know this. We failed. Either we failed or we came back to save some of our gods. Either one or the other. Now, it's up to you to know which one were you. You may have been the one that failed, got tricked, deceived. Or you could be one of the others that came back to enlighten, to remind the others. But whatever the case may be, The ones that are here now, the ones that got tricked and deceived, are on a time loop. A time loop. And in this time loop, every day, all day, alien technology is surrounding us. Holographic reality is surrounding us. Every lifetime, if you don't wake up, you're going to get put more deeper into a spell. A lot of people don't think that spells are real. A lot of people don't think that magic is real. But if you understand what that minute really means, what magic really is, you will know that this ain't nothing to mess around with. You will know that everything is energy. You will know that you are the creator. Black woman and man, boy and girl. You will know this. And you will know how detrimental that if you don't take back full control of you, you're going to keep falling deeper and deeper and deeper down this rabbit hole. And the gods only come back every once in a while. The gods only come back here every once in a while. So you better get these transmissions while you can before these gates close and you be back trapped with no information, no common sense, spiritual sense, no magicalness. And you will be put back into slavery. And when I say slave, I'm talking about mental and slavery. See, everything is about alignment. Everything has order. So the gods ain't going to be here but for too much longer, meaning we off to the 5D. We off to higher dimensions. And the ones that are lost and trapped will just continue to be in that time loop, getting their energy drained. They don't know if they coming or going or coming. This is real, y'all. This is real. This ain't for no entertainment. This is your life. It's time to activate or just be like a sleeping bot. A lot of people done made their bed. They cool with being oppressed. But you chosen one. You different. You different. Now it's about really showing and proving to yourself. We the gods. We are the gods. We must act like it, or be fooled again by them same entities that say, hey, we come in peace. We come in peace. Whole time these suckers is tricking us out of our position. That's what happened. Once we taught them certain things, they used it against us. They've been plotting. Before they came out of those caves, they've been plotting. Those archons, those reptilians, those Pleiadians, they've been plotting. It's time to wake up, God. It's time to wake up. You're in a simulation. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Your subconscious mind know what that means. Your subconscious mind know what that means. I'm activated. The real meaning of this. The real meaning. When you see these celebrities doing that, they imitating. The God, this is our shit. My soul does that. My energy does that by itself, chosen one. I'm activated. I'm activated. I'm activated. Listen to me. You must know this. Do the work. Do the work every day. Smile on purpose. Laugh on purpose. Feel good on purpose. And know that all this shit that's happening around you in your life is an illusion. A fucking spell. A spell for you, chosen one. These motherfuckers out here is actors. Putting on a show for you. Don't fall for the bait. Only be around high vibrational people. And when they show you otherwise, you know what to do. You know exactly what to do. We back. Planet X is back. The DNA is unlocking. We the gods. We are the gods. We done played their game for too long. We have played their game for too long. This is our planet. This is our home. This is our computer simulation. These motherfuckers hacked our shit. So, do yourself that favor. Elevate. Meditate. Keep your energy high. So you can begin to manifest and create the reality that you deserve. Let me get out of here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all share this video. Make sure y'all scroll down and check out previous videos. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. This was a very heartfelt video because I just wanted to let you know, chosen one, that we got to get out of this time loop. We got to be able to peep game when it's happening. Game is always happening. They know your weaknesses. They know your strengths. So, like I said, they came in peace. And by us teaching them, they used it against us. Because I wanted, like I said, I don't know if I said this, but some of the ancestors didn't get tricked. Some of our ancestors did not get tricked. So, like I said, either you here because you got tricked, or you're here to wake up the ones that did get tricked. Chosen one, talking to you, and you only. This message is not for the others. This is for you, chosen one. Either you got tricked, or you're here to wake up the sleeping gods, the ones that did get tricked. Let me get out of here. Take care of yourself. Raise your energy. Do your research. Go within. Till the next time. This is your girl. This is your queen. Well, not your name. I ain't your queen. I'm just saying. This is me. You are queen. You are king. I am queen. That's what we are. But these are words. This is your sister, Shara the goddess. Till the next time. I'm out. Take care of yourself. Peace.